Diving into the world of SEO search engine optimization is like embarking on a quest to find hidden treasure. It's all about making your website more visible to people who are using search engines to find answers or solutions that your site offers. The goal, to rank as high as possible on search engine results pages SERPs. Let's break down this journey into manageable steps, making it as engaging as a well-plotted adventure. Step 1. Understand your audience. Know their search intent, like a map that leads to treasure. Understanding what your audience is searching for, their questions, needs, and problems is crucial. Are they looking for information, a specific website, or trying to make a purchase? Keywords are your compass. Identify the keywords and phrases your audience uses to search for your products or services. Tools like Google Keyword Planner, SEMrush, or Ahrefs can help you discover these precious gems. Step 2. Optimize your website structure. Make it mobile-friendly. In today's world, your site must be as navigable on a smartphone as it is on a desktop. Google's mobile-first indexing means the mobile version of your website becomes the starting point for what Google includes in their index. Speed is key. Ensure your site loads quickly to avoid losing visitors. Tools like Google's PageSpeed Insights can show you where to improve. Secure your site with Ahrefs. It's like the lock on a treasure chest. Security is a top priority for Google, so switch to Ahrefs if you haven't already. Step 3. Craft quality content. Meet your audience's needs, like crafting a spell that perfectly solves a problem. Your content should address the questions and needs of your audience. Use your keywords naturally within high-quality, valuable content. Update regularly. Keep the content fresh and up to date. A blog can be a great way to add regular content to your site. Step 4. Optimize on-page elements. Title tags and meta descriptions. These are the snippets that appear in search results. Make them compelling, using your main keyword for each page. Header tags. Use header tags H1, H2, etc. to structure your content. Include keywords in your headers, especially the H1 tag. Alt text for images. Describe your images using alt text. It's like a treasure map for search engines, helping them understand what the image is about. Step 5. Build quality backlinks. Earn links from reputable sites. Backlinks are like votes of confidence from other sites. The more reputable sites linking to yours, the better. Guest blogging, creating shareable infographics, producing stellar content can attract these links. Avoid black hat techniques, like forbidden magic. These can get you penalized or banned from search engines. Step 6. Utilize social media and local SEO. Engage on social media. While social signals may not directly influence rankings, social media can amplify the reach of your content, leading to more backlinks and traffic.